Okay, I got these from Amazon. This is for binding. Right, where's my needle? Okay, right here. So the binding is not hard. For this one in particular, because we don't have a wider spine, otherwise you have to poke a hole first, like some other ones I did. For this one, it's just single. So all you do, just, I don't need a mirror, just eyeball it like in the middle. Do one in the middle first. Okay. I don't think a stapler gonna work. Oops. Okay, right here, that's the one. It is better if you use something thicker. So right now this is, maybe I'll change it to a different one. Longer one's easier. This one. So the okay, just right here, and then the other one. So either one, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go 3 stitches. Just don't poke in your hands. It'll hurt. Oops. Yeah. You know what? I should have a poke a hole first. That will be easier. Forgot. Maybe I'll do that next. Okay. All right, you know what? I'm gonna poke a hole. Use the owl. That's what you should do first. Around here. It'll be easier actually once you poke a hole. See? It's a single thread. So, and then now we go back to the needle. Think about if you have 3 spines, so you have to do that 3 times. That's why it's much easier to poke a hole first. Make sure all the thread is okay. Yeah. Okay. That's tight. So just it's probably either, yeah, you have thick thread. Okay. This you can keep it. to put some stuff on it, like charmers, and then with the bookmarks. So I'll keep it. I'm not gonna. So here you go. I also use the ink to ink a little bit. Well, I didn't finish the whole thing yet. I wanted to decorate it, so I started decorating already. But then I realized maybe I should. Then I put some stamp. I should have start putting this first. Right? See? Stickers. It's fun to do these because you can start decorating it. Right here, I can just use this. Think like pocket. Okay. I'm gonna do something here. So for the lace, I was thinking doing this. And then put something here too. And for here, I actually found these. Remember, this is junk journal. This is actually pretty thick. So I'm gonna do that as a pocket. But before I do that, I want to put a hole here in the middle so I can close this. Or I can just use there's a couple ways I can do. I can just use this I get from Dollar Tree. Like that. I like these actually. That's it. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that. Make it simple. And then put a pocket here. Okay, let's pack it here.